Nachos is a very famous Filipino snack nowadays. Today, I am going to show you how to make nachos in a very simple way and affordable, and making sure that all of the ingredients is available in your nearest sari-sari store and grocery store. Marazaw na adlaw sa isa tanan mga higaya. This is Lord Jason Lee Antonio. Welcome to Jason TV. For more business ideas videos, guys, don't forget to click the subscribe button. So now, gagawa tayo ngayon ng nachos that it only cost you 120 pesos. Okay? But before anything else, di naman available yung nacho chips sa mga grocery stores natin, di ba? So we will be replacing the nacho chips with other alternatives na nakita natin sa grocery store. So before we start doing the nachos, is we are going to show you the ingredients. Simple ingredients on how to make nachos. So the ingredients are Mr. Chips. Gagamit tayo ng Mr. Chips instead of yung nacho chips. Di ba yung nacho chips is mas malaki yun, di ba? Then we will also be partnering Mr. Chips with Pesos na may Roadhouse barbecue na flavor. Para naman sa meat natin, we will be using San Marino corn tuna. And I chose the chili para mas spicy yung nachos natin. Para sulit, bibili tayo ng Sulit Pack Original Egg and Cheese, Cheese Swiss Original Savers Pack. So this only cost 120 pesos, guys. And syempre naman sa ating mga other ingredients, pwede kayong gagamit ng white onion or yung pula. Then tomato at seed. Prepare the ingredients. Again, kung meron kayong white onions dyan sa mga merkado, you can buy white onions. Pero kung wala, you can use this one. Okay lang to. Pero mas masarap to. So let's slice. Prepare tayo ng isang plate. We're gonna start opening our chips. Diba? Nacho, cheese, flavor. So, pwede siya pang nachos. And you can add the Roadhouse barbecue flavor ng Pesos. Next, we are going to add the San Marino corn tuna chili. Isi-open can. We are going to put the cheese, egg and cheese. I-grate natin siya dito sa nachos natin. Ito, yung onion natin, tsaka yung tomatoes with chilies. Usually yung nachos kasi more on cheese, kaya mas masarap siya. And with that, we are going to put the final ingredient, which is the cheese whiz, the original flavor. Ito. Savers pack din para mas makasave din tayo. Again, hindi pa siya ubos. Itong Piatos at saka yung Mr. Chips natin meron pa. If we only have one bigger plate, mas marami to. Tapos may pa natira pang corn tuna. Next is we're going to put this. We're going to swirl the cheese whiz sa nachos natin. Okay. Your homemade nachos. There you have it, guys. Your tuna flavored nachos. This is only cost 120 pesos. And pwede din niyo siya ibaligya for your, or you can start your own business by selling this one, by using this business idea. Whatever flavor you want, go. This is just an example of how to make homemade nachos.